the Twin Otter parachuter. They're actually able to parachute today because it's not too windy. That is the first parachuter that was just dropped like 30 seconds ago. Can't really tell from here, but that is a parachuter. The actual plane itself, I've got no idea where it went. Yeah, little dot up there. Parachuter. Yep. Look at this business. Purple smoke coming down. Or at least there was. Oh, look at that. Look at all of them. Look at that. Parachuters with smoke and deploying their parachutes, flying down with all kinds of flags. Pretty interesting to see that from here. This is what we didn't see yesterday because of the wind. And there you have it. Somewhere out there, Brad Wursten just took off. Let's try and find him. Not the brightness. Would you stop? Here, now where is he? He's over there. Yeah, his little plane just over there. Oh, let's watch his introduction from the house.
Looking in the mirror like, this actually kind of works.
Dry shampoo. So
Yeah.
you just, what do you do? Do you just
Here, I'll show you.
Oh, holy crap.
do you just spray it in your hair and it just magically makes the grease go
What
away?
the? Look at all those twirls and crap.
I think it might absorb the oil. I'm not sure, but you kind of just like put it on like the base of your head.
Dude, I would love to do that. Holy crap. Just twirl 18,000 times. Oh my gosh.
Otherwise you get white.
Yeah, but I mean, like, if you look at my hair,
Like right now.
I just woke up. I just went out of bed 2 minutes ago.
It's a good temporary thing to do.
Hammerhead.
Actually shampoo your hair.
There's his double hammerhead, I think.
No, it doesn't clean.
I think what it does is it just absorbs the oil.
You know what my hair looks like when it's crazy. I know you know.
3 hours after you shampoo.
Yeah, and I mean, like,
And you know what though? I had a hairdresser one time.
We were just down there watching this yesterday, and then he hangs there. Yeah, then he falls down.
How oily my hair was. She said,
my hair's so oily.
she said, that is a good thing.
Really?
Because she said, that is what keeps your hair.
And there's other people out there on the street watching the Airshow.
Yeah. She says, it's far better to have oily hair than a dry
Dry
hair.
hair because I get in the shower and then I blow dry it and then by like 8 hours later my hair will be unbelievably greasy like I haven't
Like you
washed
haven't
it
bothered
for
to.
3 days.
I know. That's
Like
why
it's crazy.
I gave up and I started putting my hair out in a ponytail.
Yeah.
All right, here he goes.
Knew that they were going to come up. So they would all gather on the surface
Yeah.
of the water. She breaches! And then they would come up out of the water.
I can't find it.
It does. I'm shook. Your hair looks really good right now. I'm shook.
I just woke up and my hair was all greasy, you know, like after 4 hours.
It's very greasy.
And I just went for like 10 of those strips in my hair and it looks like I just got out of the shower.
Wow, there's his introduction. One thing I've just realized, I don't think he actually drew the thumbs up in the air this year. Because remember yesterday? I don't think there actually will be a thumbs up this year. I'm not sure. We'll have to see.
People use it, I guess. Because it works.
Whatever the heck that was, jeez.
It might be a good thing to do if you got somewhere to go and your hair looks a little dirty and you don't have time to wash it and dry it and style it. Yeah, so somebody invented, thank you Lord, dry shampoo.
This is actually
I don't know where he went. Holy crap, there he is.
So when you woke up this morning, your hair was skanky dirty. Yeah. And now
His smoke is like gray because of the clouds and stuff. Holy heck. I swear he just flew backwards. Oh, that's bullheck.
starch in the product
There he is.
soaks up the excess oil and grease in your hair, giving it a
Coming back again.
harsher appearance. Traditionally,
Where the heck?
shaking cornstarch into hair has achieved the same effect.
Yeah, I've heard that.
But most current products deliver the drying agents via an aerosol spray. Is it bad to use dry
Flying under the big old gray cloud crap going.
not taking the time to properly shampoo and cleanse your scalp and
I am
hair?
not missing that. That is super high.
Make sure to use a natural dry shampoo only when necessary to keep your health, your hair, and your scalp healthy.
Yeah, this isn't a like, use this product so you never have to take showers again. Like, that's not what this is.
It says if your hair is on the oily side, and this is from Matrix, which is a hair product.
That's freaking
and you
weird.
only need to shampoo every day, limit
What
dry
the heck was
shampoo
that?
another day.
How did he do that?
Skip a day between
He did not do that yesterday. That makes no
You'll
sense.
probably be good, probably, with using dry shampoo for 2 days.
Holy crap.
So 3 days in a row in a pinch.
That was fast as heck.
No, I mean, like, yeah, this isn't a thing where it's a substitute.
I'll probably film. I don't know if you could actually see the Cobra from it because the Cobra he does like on the runway, and that's like a mile away. So holy crap, screw that stuff going on. And there's the Cobra.
Something that you do every day.
Went straight up, hung there, fell back down. Hearing some loud as heck Warbirds down there, the ones from yesterday. Literally just saw one of them. You might see another one here.
4 years after we've been dating, and then it took a year to get
Yeah, there they are. Down there. Finally, there's one. There's the one that goes 276 miles an hour. Forget what it's called though. Holy. And there's the Texan T6. Okay, so, oh my heck, like maybe half an hour later, and I totally forgot about the Hawker Seafury with this special smoke going on. Look at that crap. Hawker Seafury, 460 miles an hour, 2,800 horsepower engine. Literally, how the heck? If you put that thing like in a Cessna, it'll go Mach 1. That is a fast freaking airplane. Just listen to this. Listen and look at this. Holy crap. Even from like a mile away, it's like, holy crap. Crap, where is he? Did I lose him? Wait. There he is. He rolled over. Dude, fast plane, 400 miles an hour? Something like that? And then look at how, like, gray and stormy it is off over there. It makes no sense. Windy yesterday and then gray today. How the crap does this work? 10% chance of rain? Yeah, bullcrap. Here he comes. Oh heck. This is the sound of 2,800 horsepower. Look at how he just so quickly goes like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 feet. So easily. And then look at his smoke. He's gonna loop back again, and then here he comes our way. That's a bit close. Oh, dude, make a left turn. Don't turn away, turn this way. Crap. Anyway, that's basically what he is. Yeah, he just came directly over our house. All this smoke trails and crap going on. Look at him through the binoculars, it's amazing. Oh boy, 2 o'clock, here we go with the Mustangs. Mustang, the plane that I've got opened up in my book right here. Mustang. 437 miles an hour, 1,500 horsepower engine, first flight 1904. So basically, holy crap. No, you have got to be kidding me. P-51 sneak pass. He came from behind the house doing like 400. Here comes the second one. You're gonna see how fast this is. Look at this crap. P-51 sneak pass over 400 miles an hour. Fast as heck. And there is the Snowbirds taking off. You can hear them, but you can't quite see them yet. Should probably see them any second now. Yeah, that's them all right. They're going like super fast way back over there somewhere. No idea. And here we go. Big old loop. Then they do a second one. People watching the Airshow on the streets and stuff. I've done 2 loops. Now where have they gone? Oh, and then they go far away and they come make them turn around and do something else. And they go way off back there. They will just do loop after loop. Where have they gone? That makes no sense. They just went somewhere. How the heck is one of them over there? Oh, they split. Look at all that. Look at them all scattered back that way. Gee. Maybe across. Oh yeah, they crossed over there. That's right. What's going on at this point? Diamond roll. Oh heck, where'd they go? They get straight back into formation super fast, 500 miles an hour. Round of applause for the Snowbirds. One final flyby. For all 9 of these guys. Training a whole bunch, flying all over the place. Risky moves, dangerous moves, fun events. Snowbirds are awesome. I can hear, holy crap. And there's your Warthog. Let's get this going. And there he is, as fast as humanly possible. Literally, that was like 1,000 feet in like 2 seconds. Look at this. Look, just look. Just look. rolls. We saw this as we were walking back to our truck when the show was ending yesterday. And this is the final act of the air show this year, is the Warthog, and the Warthog Mustang Heritage Flight. So this is the last moments of the air show here. And holy crap, here he comes. Get the sun out of my face, I can't even see my own camera. And there he goes off that way. Oh heck, here he comes. Dude. The way that it just accelerates so effortlessly. Like, and gone. Like the pilot in the cockpit just goes, and accelerates and just goes and nothing flat. Like from 250 to 400 in like 3 seconds. Or 3, like maybe 5 or 7 seconds. That is one of the fastest accelerating airplanes I've ever seen. Its top speed is like 400 something. But when it's at a downhill at full throttle like that, it really gets going to its maximum speed. Like, listen to that huge acceleration. And then already here it is. It's got this crazy maneuver that it might do here in a second. And I didn't do it that time. It's got this thing where it's going straight down, and then it pulls up like all of a sudden. It pulls 7 Gs like 1 second. Alright, next, this is probably like one of the last clips, the next clip. Dude, the A-10 must be so fun to fly. It just goes so fast and so slow whenever you want to. Then, okay, low and slow with gear down. Here comes Warthog. Oh, heck. That's the maneuver I'm talking about. I don't know if you saw that, but he was going in a dive, went straight down, and like that all of a sudden. Makes no sense. No clue how that plane can do that. I don't know where he is now. Over here? Okay. Crap. Ow. That, did you see that? Alright, the next clip will be the Heritage Flight, and that'll just about do it. Heritage Flight. And there you go, Warthog and Mustang Heritage Flight Formation Flyby. Day 2, Sunday, Day 2 of Airshow 2019. On Sunday, the final part of the final act of the final day of the air show. So this is literally like the last 5 minutes of the air show. So that'll just about do it. Vlog number 7, Air Show 2019 Part 2. I hope you've enjoyed, and I will once again put the video together that you just watched. Yep, Air Show 2019. Round of applause for the Snowbirds Brad Wursten, Mustangs, Warthog, parachuters, all those guys, all the guys that performed this year. Wonderful job. Here, just to top it off, a little bit more formation heritage flight. Just one final, like, salute, flyby type thing. I don't even freaking know. Anyway, so now it's over with the heritage crap going on.